Hello friends, it's time for pyramids. If you don't know what a pyramid is, it usually has a square base and then it comes to a point. It can also have a triangular base, but that's not a good picture. You get it, wait. Triangular base. It comes to a point but has a flat base. Okay, the volume formula is, remember the day that a cone fit inside a cylinder and took up a third of the space? Same thing here. If you have a rectangular box, close enough, and you put a cone in it that touched the top and went perfectly, like had the exact same shape bottom, it would fill 1/3 of the space of that box. So because the formula for a rectangular prism is length times width times height, you are going to do length times width times height and then divide that by 3 to get the pyramid. Find the volume if the base is a 5-foot square and the height is 9. All right, so you picture the rectangular box being 5-foot square. So that means that this would be 5, and this would be 5, and this would be 9. So the whole box would be 5 times 5 times 9, which is 225. And then you're dividing that by 3 because you only want the pyramid, and I believe that's a fraction. Oh no, it's 75. And there's no pi, this is not a circle. It's just 1/3 of the box, length times width times height, divided by 3. The area is 75. Technically it's feet cubed because feet times feet times feet. Okay, I'm sure this one works out to be a decimal. Find the volume if the base is 10 by 6 and the height is 7 feet. So let me draw it. We have a rectangular bottom that is 10 by 6. And then the height actually goes from the middle of the box up. But who cares? That's 7. So you do length times width times height. 7 times 6 times 10. The order doesn't matter when you're multiplying. Divide that by 3, see if you get a decimal. 7 times 6 times 10 is 420. Divided by 3 is pretty. Why do we have 2 pretty ones? We probably have 2 pretty ones so that I can point out this is a rectangle versus this is a square. Because people will just do 5 times 9, but it's 5 times 5 times 9 because a square would be 5, 5, 5, 5. What if I get a decimal? Like if the base is a 7-inch square and the height is 8. Because it's a 7-inch square, you know that it's 7 times 7 times 8 and not 7 times 8 times 8. Or picture it or draw it out. Length times width times height over 3. 7 times 7 times 8 is 392. And if you divide 392 by 3, you get 130.6666666. Thusly, you leave your answer as 392/3. And let's use the volume formula to find the height of a pyramid. So again, we have a 10-foot square, so picture a 10 by 10. And we don't know the height, but we know that the volume is 500. So 500 goes up the back. Length times width. And it doesn't matter if you put the 10, 10, height, Like it doesn't matter where the 10's go. Over 3. The 3 is from the formula, the 10 is from the problem, the other 10 is because of the word square, and we're looking for the height. So just like on cones and spheres day, we're going to times by 3 to get rid of your 3. That's 1,500. Go ahead and do 10 times 10 and make this a nice pretty 100H. And obviously to get rid of the multiplication, you divide by 100. You get 15. And you can check it. What is 10 times 10 times 15 divided by 3? 500, see? Check. So that's your volume formula of a pyramid. It takes up exactly 1/3 of a rectangular shoebox. Voila. Good luck with your Khan Academy. No, I think it's IXL Day because I couldn't find a Khan Academy.